Ah, Blumo. Blumo, let's go. I want to go to what you shot. I also be quite for Raya.
Former Kogi Governor Yaya Bello, among others, background. Bello Muhammad Matawalle was the governor of Zamfara State from 2019 to 2023. Bello Muhammad Matawalle was the governor of Zamfara State from 2019 to 2023. During his tenure, there were allegations of mismanagement of public funds and resources. Recall that on the 18th May 2023, the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC), through its then Director of Media and Public Affairs, Osita Mwaja, said that the EFCC is investigating Matawalle over allegation of monumental corruption, award of part-time contract, and diversion of over 70 billion. According to the EFCC, the money which was sourced as a loan from an old generation bank purportedly for the execution of projects across the local government areas of the state was allegedly diverted by the governor through process and contractor who received payment for contracts that were not executed. The commission investigation revealed that over 100 companies had received payment from the fund with no evidence of service rendered to the state. Some of the contractors who had been invited and quizzed by the commission made startling revelation on how the governor allegedly compelled them to return funds received from the state coffers back to him through his head, after converting the same to United States dollars, hard currency. The companions confirmed that they did not render any service to Zamfara State. Still, they were allegedly directed to convert to the monies paid to them into United States dollars, hard currency, and return them to the state governor through the sum of his commissioners, notably those in charge of finance and local government affairs, 2.1 billion arms deal. Furthermore, we urge the EFCC to investigate the 2.1 billion arms deal, which included Matawalle among the dishonorable Nigerians and companies that benefit from the former NSAS scandal. Call for action. The APC Akida Forum is appealing to Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) to continue investigating Bello Muhammad Matawalle alleged mismanagement of public funds during his tenure as governor of Zamfara State and his involvement in the famous arms deal scandal. As party loyalists, we want the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) to investigate the matter and bring justice to those responsible for mismanagement of public funds. This will serve as deterrent to others considering engaging in corrupt practice in public office, especially considering what happened to the humanitarian minister. Conclusion: the APC Akida Forum, as political pleasure group, commend the federal government for making hard decision against corruption. With this, I say Alhamdulillah. We thank the AFCC chairman for making us proud of him. Once again, thank you. Thank you.
I'm receiving this petition on behalf of the Executive Chairman of the EFCC, Mr. El-rufai, and I want to commend members of the APC Akida Forum for this peaceful protest. It is within your right to protest. The Constitution guarantees the right of free expression, and you have done that today. I want to assure you all that EFCC does not close cases. Once we open investigation into a case, we do not close such matters. So I assure you that this petition will be looked into. Thank you very much.